How to delete 1xbet account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete 1xbet account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to delete your 1xbet account, just go to 1xbet.com and then you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is simply log into the account that you want to delete. Then tap the menu option from the very bottom right of the screen. Then you'll come to this page where you have to scroll and then simply look for the consultant option. Then tap on consultant. Once you tap on consultant, a live agent is actually going to get in touch with you. So what you have to let them know is that you would like to basically delete your account. So here you can see I said them to delete my account. Provide them with the email address or the user ID of your 1xbet account and they will be able to delete your account for you. This way you should be able to delete your 1xbet account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.